Hello everyone, my name is Sohail and my teammate name is Mohammad Asif. Together we are Team Organ Bridge, our project for Google Solution Challenge 2026. Based on the theme Unbiased AI Decision Making. The problem. What is the problem our project solves? Every year, thousands of people die waiting for organ transplant. Not because donors are unavailable, but because the matching process is too slow, manual, and sometimes unfair. Traditional systems rely on just blood type matching only. They ignore critical factors like age, location, and medical history. And worst of all, these systems are often biased. Younger patients, urban residents, and certain genders get prioritized, sometimes without anyone even realizing it. OrganBridge was exactly built to solve this problem. Let's show you what we have built. This is Organ Bridge, live at organbridge.onrender.com. Organ Bridge uses machine learning and Google Gemini AI to match organ donors with recipients faster, fairer, and more transparently than any existing system. We analyze over 15 compatibility factors for every single match, not just blood type. This is our Organ Bridge homepage. Organ Bridge uses machine learning and Google Gemini AI to match organ donors with recipient faster, fairer, and more transparently than ever before. Any existing system. 900 plus training records, matching 95% accuracy, 15 compatibility factor, 24 into 7 available. AI powered matching, Gemini AI explanation, bias detection. This is very important in our system. This is what makes our system different from other systems. Let me quickly create a new recipient account to show you the full flow. I will select get started. I will select recipient because I need an organ. The system separate donors and recipient from the very beginning. I fill my username as Shoaib recipient because I am recipient, so I selected recipient and I will fill it like @gmail.com. And blood type is AB positive, gender male, age 24, city Delhi, state Delhi, phone number is optional. Let create the password organ bridge, and this is our organ bridge. I will delete this from the database, so we not to worry about it. Create account. Our account is ready. No thanks. Organ needed. We have to select which organs we have need. Let kidney, liver, heart, and lungs. Urgency level is high. Needs within days. Current hospital let AIMS Delhi. And diagnosis date would be 27. Okay, previous transplant 0, smoking status former smoker, alcohol occasional, average sleep let 8 hours per day, medical condition. We can skip for now or we can fill these options or not. Let fill this medical condition. Not good. We can skip it. Preferred hospital, insurance, we can fill it or not. It is not mandatory. Insurance coverage, history of drug use, willing to relocate. Now we will click on complete profile setup. That's our profile is completed. Now the core feature. I click find matches. Our ML engine built with TF IDF vectorization and cosine similarity. High score means better compatibility. Green means above 80%, red means below 60%. Now this is something no other organ matching system has. I will click generate AI explanation for this donor. Our system is calling Google Gemini AI in real time. And here it is. Gemini AI has just analyzed this specific donor recipient pair and generated a personalized medical explanation. It mentions the exact compatibility score, the blood type match, the location difference, the BMI, and the lifestyle factors. This is not a generic message. Every explanation is unique to every donor recipient pair. This feature helps doctor make faster, more informed decision with full transparency into why a match was suggested. In my matches, I can see all donors that our system has found for me, along with their compatibility score and current status. I can accept or reject each match with a single click. Once accepted, both the donors and the recipients are connected, and the transplant coordination process can begin. Every action is tracked and recorded for audit purpose. Now the most important feature for our theme, the bias and fairness dashboard. Most AI systems make decisions without explaining themselves. Organ Bridge is different. We do not just match donors and recipients. We actively audit every decision our AI makes, and we show the results here publicly. Right now, our system has analyzed 57 real matches. Gender bias score is 87 out of 100. Rated fair. Our AI treats male and female donors almost equally, with only a 9.86% score difference. Our algorithm does not significantly favor younger or older donors. Urban donors from major cities tend to score slightly higher because they are closer to hospitals. We are not hiding this, we are showing it because transparency is the foundation of fair AI. The overall fairness rated fair and we working to improve it. OrganBridge combines machine learning, Google Gemini AI, and real-time bias detection to make organ matching smarter, faster, and fairer. We believe that in a system where every second counts and every decision impacts a life, AI should be transparent, explainable, and fair. This is our contribution to that mission. Thank you so much. We are Team Orion, Shoaib, and Asif, and this is Organ Bridge.